Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome app on iPhone. Google Chrome is a fast web browser available at no charge. Before you download, you can check it. Chrome supports your operating system and you have all the other system requirements. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, on your iPhone, go to App Store and search Google Chrome. Tap it and then you have tap Get. Wait for a second, then tap Install. We have to wait for a second until the download is done. And when it's done, to start browsing, you have to go to your home screen and tap Chrome app. And some tips: you can make Chrome your default browser on your iPhone. And then to fix problem with your search engine, flash pop-ups or Chrome updates, try to uninstall and reinstall Chrome. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.